Breast cancer, a word which haunts us every time, whenever it reaches us. A disease which is prevalent in every corner in the world. Under the global scenario, it seems that 1 in 8 women in the world develop the breast cancer, as reported by the National Breast Cancer Foundation. Breast cancer is the most frequent cancer among women, impacting 2.1 million women each year, and also causes the greatest number of cancer-related deaths among women.
India's picture for breast cancer is rather much more devastating. Breast cancer accounts for 14% of cancers in Indian women. It is reported that every 4 minutes Indian women is diagnosed with breast cancer. A 2018 report of breast cancer statistics recorded 160,000 new registered cases and 87,000 new deaths. Early breast cancer detection accounts to only 30% of total detected cases in India, on contrary to 60 to 70% early cases in the Western nations.
Although breast cancer is the most common cancer among women in the world, increased visibility, early detection or screening, and improved care options have helped to reduce death rates in the past 30 years. It's our priority to raise awareness for breast cancer and detect breast cancer in the early stage in life. Hence, we are in the need to develop such situations.
Analyzing symptoms for breast cancer can be a daunting task, both financially and emotionally, for a patient. Hence, our team at WeCare.ai is here to make your life easier by designing a contextual virtual assistant to serve your needs.
The main website. Any user who wishes to use our website would land onto this page first. These are the social media connections which would direct you to our respective social media handles. Then this is the navigation section. This would lead you to the desired section of our website, just like home. This is the home page. The functionalities like chatbot, the statistics and the image detection. This is our team EtherBots, as you are seeing. So then this button leads us to the statistics page. This statistics page gives us the detailed statistics about the increase in the number of cases and deaths due to breast cancer in the various age groups around India. Thank you.
The chatbot called WeCare.ai is trained on deep neural networks on PyTorch and deployed using Flask. The dataset is a .json file of intents and the responses in the form of dictionary. The dataset is pre-processed using NLTK tools and goes through stemming tokenization and comes out as a bag of words which is fed into the model as a one-hot encoded stack of feature vectors. So if I were to ask what are the symptoms of breast cancer, the input goes through the same process and a prediction is made. A random response of given tag is chosen from the dataset and presented as a reply.
Here, the user uploads his or her histopathology images in the web application and within a span of seconds is able to get a prediction about the presence or absence of metastatic cancer or invasive ductal carcinoma. The model was trained using several layers of convolutional neural networks and managed to get a test accuracy of about 98.2%. The model was deployed using the Flask micro framework in an interactive, responsive, and user-friendly web application where a user can directly upload his or her images for prediction, as shown. Alternatively, they can choose to preserve the records in our database by signing up and providing basic details.
As due to time constraint and network glitches, we have just developed the prototype which will be giving us an accuracy of 98.2% for cancer detection and user-friendly chatbot for an amazing experience. We have ideas to improve UI and more user-friendly environment in the long run. We have a plan to implement our model in the breast cancer treatment center so patients know about our model and can benefit themselves by doing early detection at their own residency.
Hence, our team at WeCare is here to make your life easier by designing a user-friendly virtual assistant to serve your needs. From symptom analysis of breast cancer to the classification tasks of your mammographic images, and also diversifying the awareness program of breast cancer to rural parts of the world, we provide a one-stop solution to all your needs. Team EtherBots dreams of making a world where lives and communities are not threatened by breast cancer. Hence, our mission is to achieve health justice for women at risk and living with breast cancer. Thank you.